Welcome guys. Now we are in question number 5 in C# and .NET question discussion series. Right? The question is, what is a namespace in C#? You need to explain what namespace is and why we use namespace in C#. Actually, the namespace in C# is used for organizing and grouping related classes. You can use it for interfaces, struct, enum, and delegates as well. Right? The mostly we use this namespace for organizing and grouping classes. Think in your project or in your application, you have the same class name in two different places. How you identify which class you use for creating object? The first thing, can you create the same class name with different places in same project? It's possible with different namespace. You should give the answer as a namespace in C# is a way to organize and group related classes, interfaces, struct, enum, and delegates. Right? That is enough. But if you want to explain further, you can explain it with avoiding the conflict by providing way to distinguish between classes with the same name but in different namespace. Right? Okay, let's move into the code. Right? I use previous code exercise for explaining this one also. Right? This is namespace with namespace keyword. Right? Oops is a namespace. Right? If you want to create one more time one classes in this solution or this project file, is it possible? Try to create one more class. Check that is this possible. The namespace oops already contain a definition for employee. Right? Oops.co. You can change the namespace, then you can create the object. Right? So this helps to organize and group your related classes. But here it is not possible. Then you can see you have 4 classes actually here. You have 4 classes under this namespace. This 4 if you want to use these 4 classes, one of these 4 classes in this class, you should import actually using, right? Then you can use new employee. Right? Oops.employee. This oops is from namespace, not this class. Right? This is from, then you can with pressing control and you can go to the definition or right click on go to definition. Here is the definition. We already use the namespaces, right? automatically comes system generic collection dot generic, but these three namespaces are not highlighted, which mean these namespaces we are not using. So better to remove and sort using, then removing other parts and sort it, right? Only this system namespace we use in this class, right? The only thing is console dot read line, we use this using namespace. Then you can right click on the console and go to definition, then you can see the implementation of the namespace, right? This is the namespace. We consume that namespace first using keyword, then namespace name, then we can access those methods inside that class according to the access modifiers, right? Some access modifiers may private, then you can access it, right? Is the public one we can access. This is namespace. Hope this is clear, right? Namespace, remember this, namespaces are used for organizing and grouping related classes, interfaces, enums, and delegates in your application, right? If you have few classes with the same name, with the different namespaces, it is possible, but in the same namespace it is not possible, right? It will be a compiler error, right? This namespace helps to organize and group your related classes, right? This is the way we define a namespace, and this is the way we use the existing namespace in our class, right? Not only system, you can use many, right? This we use this oops namespace as well. Okay, hope this is clear. Let's move into next question.